guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today, I know I look crazy because I have this hat on, but I am doing a review for some new products from Avon. Their Propoli Thera line. This is a damage repair line, which I think is great for me because I have damage. I do. I have it. So we have a shampoo, and it is sulfate free, a conditioner, which they come in these cute like hexagon bottles. We have a hair mask, the Propoli Thera hair mask. Is there honey in this? It's like a picture of a bee. There is honey. So there's honey in this, but there is.
Are you naked?
No, I'm filming. Sorry. So basically the like main things of this line are honey, royal jelly, and propolis. I don't know what it is, but the last thing on the line is a hair oil serum. I don't really know how I'm gonna use this, but here it is. I'm gonna look up what Propoli is. Propolis is bee glue. Propolis, or bee glue, is a resinous mixture that honeybees produce by mixing saliva and beeswax. That's cute. Anyway, so I've been pre-pooing my hair, so I'm gonna rinse that out and I'm gonna come back and use the products. So I'm just gonna show you my pre-pooed hair. I might look crazy, but so this is my pre-pooed hair. If you guys wanna see how I pre-poo my hair and get this look, I can definitely do another video on that if you wanna see it. So I'm gonna rinse it out and I'm gonna come back. Alright, so washed out my hair. I really hate washing my hair outside the shower, but you gotta do what you gotta do. So this is my hair. It's super soft. It's super defined after my pre-poo, and that pre-poo is focused in growth and length retention. So again, if you want me to do a video, I can do it. I'll probably do one anyway, no matter what y'all say. So anyway, so we're just gonna start it with the Damage Repair Sulfate Free Shampoo. It's got a little pump on it, and it did have like a not pump lid, and then it came with a secondary pump, and it smells good, and it's like, I don't know if you can tell, but it's got like little glitters in it. So I'm just gonna go ahead. I don't normally, instant lather. I don't normally section my hair, so I'm not going to, but instant lather. That was like a little bit of product, so a little does go a long way. Wow. It's really getting in there. So usually I kind of separate it like into two, but I don't really do like 4 sections or anything like that. I just do it to the best of my ability. It smells so good. This is like a relaxing experience with my that was like not a lot of product, and I got a lot of lather. So if you do like lather and you're looking for a sulfate free shampoo and you like lather, this would be a really great option for you. Wow. No, I'm not. No. This is not one of those ones where you can detangle. Not at all. So this is my 3rd pump, I think. Okay, so this is my hair with the product in. So I'm just gonna go ahead and rinse it out and come back and get started with the conditioner. Is it on? Okay. Alright, so here I am back after washing the shampoo out. I will say that my hair, it's not completely stripped. My scalp is clean. I do have pretty good definition. but it's not like as soft as it was before I washed it after just having the pre-poo. As you can see, like, we have some definition in the hair, and you know, I've had much more stripping shampoos. You know, it feels pretty alright to me. So now I'm gonna go in with the damage repair conditioner. There's water going down my shirt. This has the same things in it: honey, royal jelly, and propoli. It does have a cone in it. It has dimethicone in it, so if you don't want silicones, probably not for you. I don't really care about silicones, so I'm gonna go ahead and use it. Oh my god, it's dirty. Ew. Clean comb. Once again, pump. I love a good pump. Makes my life so easy. I'm gonna pump out like a bit because I usually use like a lot. Smells great. Same scent. It's a perfumey scent, so if you don't really like perfumey scents, maybe not for you. Like, it doesn't smell like honey or anything. It smells like flowers. It smells like the flowers that the honey comes in. It is soaking into my hair really nicely. So it's pretty good so far. It doesn't have like all the slip in the world, but I was able to detangle a good enough amount. So I'm just gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my head and then come back. Alright, so I put the conditioner all in my hair. It had like a good amount of slip. Honestly, I could have done a little bit more slip. I feel like every product I use though could use more slip though, so I was able to get through all of my hair with my detangling comb. So now I'm just going to hop in the shower and leave it in while I clean my body, and then I'm gonna come back and try out the mask. Alrighty, so I'm back after my shower, looking a little crazy because I forgot to take off my eye makeup. And so the conditioner surprised me. I'm not gonna lie. It surprised me because when I was like, after I was done applying it, it felt like there was nothing in my hair. I was like, this can mean one of two things: it's not gonna do anything, or it's really being absorbed. So I went ahead and put some of this hair oil serum also on my hair because I was like, with this conditioner feels like nothing's happening. But when I rinsed it out, that's where it shined. My hair is soft, like super soft. It was super soft when I was rinsing it out, and I was like, wow. Okay. There was hair in my mouth. That is sad. Anyway, so now I'm gonna go in with the Propoli Thera Rejuvenating Hair Mask. I wanna see the ingredients. Show me the ingredients. So there is a cone in this. It's gold. There's gold in here. So there is dimethicone in here, but there's also very good ingredients like protein and stuff. I like protein for my hair. If you don't like protein for your hair, maybe not the best for you. Is there protein in all of them? No. But there's protein in this mask, so I'm gonna go ahead and give it a try. Same scent as everything else. It's got this nice gold color. Is it gold? You know, sometimes the bottle will be gold and it will look like the product is too. Anyway, so here it is. This also, none of these products are like brand new. I use kind of a lot of conditioner, but my sister also uses these products and she did a review on them and she has relaxed hair. So if you guys want to see a review of these products on relaxed hair, go ahead and go to her channel. It will either be in the cards or in the description. So here we go. It's nice and it's like loopy. It reminds me of that Gorilla Gel. It's not sticky, but it has like that pulley consistency. I'm making a mess. Anyway, so I'm just gonna apply it to my strands. Going on very smoothly.
It's very soft. Yeah, I'm enjoying the softness. Like I said, I don't really section my hair. I just kind of do each side. So it works the best for me. Sectioning, I'm trying it and it just takes so long. Because my hair will fall out of the section so much because it's making it long. I love mine. But here's the times that I tried to. There's more working. I'm trying to get it longer than this. And the point is, it's very smooth application. But so I'm just going to twist up my hair. This also kind of has that feeling of there may or may not be anything in my hair right now. Which again, can mean it's doing nothing, but it can also mean that it's being absorbed into your hair really well. So I'm just going to twist up each side.
I'll twist it up. Is it the best twist ever? No, but that doesn't really matter. So I'm just gonna leave it in for an indefinite amount of time. There are no instructions. I'm gonna leave it in for like at least 30 minutes under my plastic cap and under a hat. And then I'll come back. So I'm pretty sure I just talked to myself for like a minute and I forgot to press record. So basically I had on a hat, took off the hat. Here's the hat. Let me make sure it's recording because I'm sad now. Okay, it's recording. I had on a hat, I took it off. My hair was in a twist, I took them out. It's soft, and there's definition. And it's warm because it was under my hat. Now I'm gonna wash it off and come back with my final thoughts on the line. So I washed it out. I recently realized that there is a bug. That there is still eyeliner under my eyes, so that's cute. So I'm gonna take this down so we can see my hair. Okay, so this is my hair freshly washed, no product. Hi guys, so as you can probably see, this whole like end part, my whole head is cut off. So I want you to tell you my thoughts on the line. I did really enjoy the shampoo. I think the shampoo was like my most favorite one. It didn't really strip my hair, but it did get it clean and it was sulfate free and it left my hair really soft. That was my favorite one. And then I think second favorite is definitely the mask. The mask was pretty good. I enjoyed it. It was really easy to even though it had already detangled, but it was still really easy to run my fingers through, and it left my hair feeling soft, even though it looked dry as heck in that last video. That's just what my hair looks like at all times. It was really soft and moisturized, and it does have I'm brain dead. Protein. It does have protein in it, and I've been trying to incorporate more protein into my hair routine just because I have damaged ends, they're color treated, and I'm high porosity. So if you're high porosity, I think this mask would be good for you also. I think the shampoo was really easy to use. It was really easy to run my fingers through, and it left my hair feeling soft, even though it already detangled, but it was still really easy to run my fingers through, and it left my hair feeling soft, even though it looked dry as heck in that last video. That's just what my hair looks like at all times. It was really soft and moisturized, and it does have I'm brain dead. the conditioner was alright. It wasn't like mind-blowing conditioner, but I think it does work well within the line, but I probably wouldn't just use it like on its own. And I did not really use the serum. I did use it on the hair that I have now, which is just these twists, and it did leave my hair very shiny and very soft. And it's not as oily. Like when I first put it on, I was like, oh gosh, my hair is gonna be super oily, because I usually don't use oils on my actual hair strands because it makes them oily. But this one was better. It, like, right now, this is like, I've had these twisting for like 2 days and they're not oily, but they're still kind of shiny. They're still nice under there. So yeah, I think the line was pretty good. The line goes for $15 each, and I'll have a link in the description for each product. And they also have a volumizing version, so you can get the damage repairing one, which is the one that I used, or the volume repairing, and that's only for the shampoo and the conditioner. That like you can choose one of those, or the volume one. Yeah. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. I'm definitely gonna put the link to each line in the description box. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. That'd be great. If you didn't like the video, thanks for watching it anyway. If you did like the video, don't forget to like down below. And I'll see you guys in my next video.